we will discuss about find the expected project length, variance and standard deviation. For example, the activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 and so on. Then TO, optimistic time. TO means optimistic time, and TM, T suffix M means most likely time, and T suffix P means pessimistic time. Now T suffix O, optimistic time is the activity 1 to 2, 1, the activity 1 to 3, 1, the activity 1 to 4, 2 and so on. The most likely time of the activity 1 to 2 is 1, 1 to 3 is 4, 1 to 4 is 2, 2 to 5 is 1 and so on. Next, pessimistic time. The pessimistic time of 1 to 2, activity 1 to 2 is 7, and 1 to 3 is 7, and 1 to 4 8 and so on. Find the project duration. First one, draw the network diagram of the activity in the project, and second one, find the expected duration and the variance of each activity. What is the expected project length, and calculate the variance and the standard deviation of the project length. Then what is the probability that the project will be completed at least 4 weeks earlier than expected time, and no more than 4 weeks later than expected time. First, we construct the network diagram, and we need the duration of the activity, every activity. Therefore, first one, we use the optimistic time, pessimistic time and the most likely time to find the duration of the activity. First one, activity 1 to 2, therefore T suffix E, duration of the activity 1 to 2 equal 1 by 6 into optimistic time of the activity 1 to 2 plus 4 into most likely time of the activity 1 to 2 plus pessimistic time of the activity 1 to 2. Therefore, 1 by 6 into the optimistic time 1, most likely time 1, pessimistic time 7. Therefore, 1 by 6 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 7 equal to 2. Therefore, the duration of the activity 1 to 2 equal 2. Next, the activity 1 to 3. The optimistic time of activity 1 to 3 is 1. The most likely time of the activity 1 to 3 is 4. And the pessimistic time of the activity 1 to 3 is 7. Therefore, 1 by 6 into 1 plus 16 plus 7. Therefore, 4. Next, activity 1 to 4. Activity 1 to 4. The optimistic time of activity 1 to 4 is 2. The most likely time of the activity 1 to 4 is 2. The pessimistic time of activity 1 to 4 is 8. Therefore, 1 by 6 into 2 plus 8 plus 8. Therefore, 3. And the activity time of 1 to 4, duration of the 1 to 4 is 3. Likewise, the activity time of 2 to 5 is 1. And the activity 3 to 5 is 6. The same formula to find the duration of the activity. Next, activity 4 to 6. Activity 4 to 6, duration of the activity 4 to 6 is 5. Next, activity 5 to 6. 5 to 6 is 7. The activity 1 to 2, the variance of activity. The variance of sigma is the variance of activity 1 to 2 is 1 by 6 into pessimistic time minus optimistic time to whole square. Therefore, 1 by 6 into Tp minus To whole square. Therefore 1 by 6 into pessimistic time of activity 1 to 2 is 7 and optimistic time of activity 1 to 2 is 1. Therefore 1 by 6 into 7 minus 1 whole square equal to 1. Then the activity 1 to 3, variance of activity 1 to 3 is 1 and activity 1 to 4, variance of activity 1 to 4 is 1. Then the variance of activity 2 to 5, same formula we use, 0. And activity, we find the variance in every activity. Therefore activity 3 to 5 is 4. The variance of activity 4 to 6 is 1. The variance of activity 5 to 6 is 4. Now we construct the network diagram. Construct the network diagram. First activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. The duration of activity 1 to 2 is 2, 1 to 3 is 4 and 1 to 4 is 3. The activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 is starting activity. There is no predecessor. Therefore 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 will start same time, but the duration is 1 to 2 is 2, 1 to 3 is 4, 1 to 4 is 3. Then the activity 2 to 5 is, duration of activity 2 to 5 is 1, then 3 to 5 is 6, 4 to 6 is 5. Then last one, the activity 5 to 6 is 7. First we find the earliest time. Earliest time means E1, E2, E3, etc. Therefore first one, the activity 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 3, 1 to 4, the node is 1. Therefore earliest time of node 1 is 0. Then the E2, the activity 1 to 2, the earliest time, the node 2 of the activity, earliest time E2 equal to 2, which means earliest time of previous node. Therefore E1 equal to 0 plus the duration of 1 to 2, activity 1 to 2. Therefore 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Next E3. E3 previous node is 1. Therefore E1 equal to 0 plus the duration of 1 to 3 is 4. Therefore 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Next E4. E4 equal to 0 plus 3, E4 equal to 3. Next E5. E5 means E2 plus duration of the activity 2 to 5. E2 equal to 2. Then the duration of the activity 2 to 5 is 1. Therefore 2 plus 1 equal to 3. And E3 4 plus duration of activity 3 to 5 is 6. Therefore 4 plus 6 10. Next the minimum of E value E2 and E3. Sorry, maximum of E2 and E3. The maximum value is 6 plus 4. Therefore 10. Therefore E5 equal to maximum values of previous earliest time plus duration of this activity, particular activity. Therefore maximum of 3, 10 equal to 10. Therefore E5 equal to 10. Next E6. E6 two-way, 5 to 6 and 4 to 6. Therefore 5 to 6 E5 10 plus 5 to 6 duration 17, 7. Therefore 10 plus 7 17. And another one 4 to 6. E4 3, 4 to 6, duration of 4 to 6 5, 5 plus 3 8. Therefore maximum of 5 to 6 and 4 to 6. Maximum of 5 to 6 17, 4 to 6 8. Therefore 17. Therefore earliest time finished. Then we find the latest time, the reverse process. L6 equal to 17. E6 equal to 17, therefore L6 value is also 17. Then E5, L5 means L6 minus the duration of the 5 to 6. Therefore 17 minus 7 equal to 10. Then E4 equal to L4 equal to L6 minus duration of the 4 to 6. Therefore 17 minus 5, 12. Next E3 equal E5 minus duration of the activity 3 to 5. Therefore 10 minus 6, 4. Next E2 L2 L5 minus duration of the activity 2 to 5. Therefore L5 10 minus duration of the activity 2 to 5 1. 10 minus 1 9. Next L1 means 3 way, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1. First 2 to 1 L2 9, duration of the activity 1 to 2, therefore 9 minus 2 7. And 1 to 3 L3 4 minus duration of activity 1 to 4 3 4, 4 minus 4 0. Another one 1 to 4 L4 12, duration of activity 1 to 4 3, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 3 9. Therefore minimum of E2 plus duration of 1 to 2, L2 the duration plus 1 to 2, and L3 plus duration of 1 to 3, and L4 plus duration of 1 to 4. Therefore minimum is 0. Therefore L1 value equal to 0. Therefore the critical path or critical route is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. E1 value and L1 value, which one is same earliest time and latest time? Then the critical path route is on the way. Therefore E1 value and L1 value, E1 and L1 equal to 0, and E3 L3 equal to 0, E5 L5 equal to 10, E6 L6 equal to 17. Therefore E1 L1 same, equal to. Next E3 equal to L3, E5 equal to L5, and E6 equal to L6. Therefore the critical path route is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. Therefore duration of the project completion time, the critical path duration, duration of the critical path, total duration of the critical path. First one 1 to 3, 4, 3 to 5, 6, 5 to 6, 7. Therefore 4 plus 6 plus 7 equal to 17. 17 is the duration of the project completion time. Critical path is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. Next, variance of project length. Variance of project length means the variance of the critical activity. Critical activity means the critical path activity is critical activity. Then the variance of project length is variance of the critical activity. Which is critical activity? Which one is critical activity? 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. Therefore, the variance of 1 to 3 plus variance of 3 to 5 plus variance of 5 to 6. Therefore, 4 plus 1 equal to 9. Therefore, variance of project length is 9. And then standard deviation of project length equal to root of variance. Therefore, root of 9 equal to 3. Next, probability that the project will be completed at least 4 weeks earlier. That is 13 weeks, then the expected time of project completion is 17 weeks, is given by probability of Z less than or equal to TS minus TE divided by sigma. equal to 13 minus 17 divided by 3, and the probability of z less than or equal to minus 1.33 equal the distribution table, which one is 0.4082, therefore 0.0918. Thus, the probability of completion that the project is less than 13 weeks is 9.18%. Next, probability that the project will be completed in 4 weeks later, that is 21 weeks. Then the expected time of 17 weeks is given by 4 weeks later, therefore 17. Probability of z greater than or equal to ts minus t divided by sigma is 0.9082. Thus, the probability of completing the project is more than 21 weeks is 90.82%. That's all. Thank you.